Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. My name's Lauren and today I wanted to try my first ever plan with me. Now I've been planning for a while. I have two planners that oh my gosh, my nails. Oh, I'm so sorry. If this goes over well, then I will do better next time. But I have two planners that I carry around. I have Erin Condren and then I have a personal planner, which is just the Louis Vuitton GM planner. I'm gonna do a whole video on this bad boy, but this is kind of the planner that I spend the most time with, one that I kind of leave at home. My personal planner I carry with me everywhere, but this one I leave at home. This is how this week is turning out so far. We're currently on Wednesday, so this half of the week is finished. Got rose gold foil, so that's how this week is turning out. This one I did kind of a plan as I go. I think for this coming week I'm gonna do it a little bit more structured. So this is the week I'm going to be planning today. I just have a few sticky notes on there, not really important right now, but it's just kind of like gives me an idea. Now the thing I don't like about pre-planning is that I don't know exactly what my plans are, so sometimes things do change. For this week I'm going to go into my storage binder. It just says storage on both. For this week, see, I have this. Well, these are my next 3 kits for May, or the 3 kits that I want to use at my Erin Condren for May. But I think the color scheme of this kit is a little too close to this one. So this is pink and blues, and this is kind of like a different shade of blue and a different kind of corally pink. So I think I might do this one. I just feel like this is too similar. Yeah, I'm gonna do this one. Okay. So, all right, let's get into this kit. It's got Marie from the Aristocats and it's pink. This whole month I picked kind of my favorite kits that I have been saving or whatever. I've had this one for a while, but I just love this kit. I love Marie, I love cats, I love pink, bows, everything. So this is this. So these are the full boxes. This full box, the quote full box says, "Ladies don't start fights, but they can finish them." Love that quote. She is so sassy. These are the ombre heart checklists, headers and little things. Washi, bottom washi is so pretty. And patterned washi, your functional sheet with your boxes. I mean, just look at how cute she is in this box. Oh, I just love her. And then this is some more functional date covers. I love this kit and I love that weekend banner. So I'm really excited to use this. I am going to go in and do the base layer of my kit. So I'll just film that and fast forward. So here we go. This is so exciting that this is my first plan with me. I've been watching these forever, and every time I plan, I pretend that I'm in one, but it's gonna be hard to not. Okay, so I'm not gonna pull any foil into this kit for the spread just because this one is so foiled, and I kind of want to mix it up a little bit. So I am just gonna use the date dots that came in the kit. The kit has them. I like to use them unless I'm using foil, so. And for smaller stickers, I do like to use a pair of tweezers. These are just ugly tweezers that I found in the bottom of my purse, so. Okay, date covers are down. Now I'm going to move on to the bottom washi, and I just want to see if I will need to block out the bottom lines. You can see it a little bit, so I am just going to, just because it's my birthday month and I want to be a little bit extra, go in and white out this. Bottom washi is down. So anyways, before I forget, I am gonna put another flag. So this kit is a little bit older, so it does come with these 2 smaller flags that were used for the last year's Erin Condren with the flags on the side. So I am just gonna go back in with pink, I guess. That's down. Now I'm going to lay down my full box. So I am going to take the quote one and try and get this as centered as possible. So that is down. Now I'm going to grab full boxes, headers, and my checklists. Okay, so now we're going to lay down the full boxes. I'm trying to decide how I want to do this. So let me think a minute here. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my checklists. Okay, so I didn't do a pattern for these, but I just kind of like to mix it up sometimes. And I am gonna pull this green into the sidebar just because it looks a little green heavy over here and there's no green over here. So let's go ahead and do the sidebar. My habit tracker down first. I might use 2 of them. I'm gonna start with this one. And then I'm going to grab a little piece of washi. All of these strips are like the same size, which is weird because these are different. This is the pattern I want to use. So I guess I'm going to grab 2. See, this is 2 pieces of washi. And sidebar is done. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with full boxes. So these are the 7 I have left. There are 4 cats and 3 florals, so that works out perfectly. My headers. So I actually am going to put the today headers up at the top. Okay, headers are down. I am now going to go into my full boxes. I am gonna have to white out these black lines, so let me do that really quick. All right, so I went ahead and just whited out all the lines just because these stickers are light and I don't want you to be able to see them. Okay, this is the full boxes. Those are really cute. Yeah, okay, I'm excited about that. Okay, I am going to go in real quickly and put in my little things headers. Okay, I like how this is turning out. So I want to pull in this bubble mailer from an old Glam planner kit that I have. It's just pink and polka dots, and I want to put this right here. It's going to cover up that remember. Oh well, it's kind of big. I'm just going to pop that right there, and I'm going to write in the orders I should get this week. So I'm going to write those in real quickly. Okay, so I wrote those in there. I'm going to write my habits. Oh, and also I painted my nails just because that white was horrible, and I have you up on this little white thing, so I hope that's better than the floor. So I have those in there. I'm gonna leave my weekly checklist until I fill that out like throughout the week. So I do have a few bills I want to pop in. One on the 8th. And I have one on the 10th. And so now back to Monday, I do want to fill in a few to-dos. Okay, so also I want to pop in a half box because on this day I will need to go grocery shopping. So I'm going to pull in these grocery cart stickers. These are from It's Planning Time, and the pink cart just matches this kit so perfectly. So I'm going to pop this here. I'm now going to take this read sticker from Once More with Love, And I'm gonna pop this to-do section on Tuesday, and I'm gonna do so those are the two things I need to read. And let's see. I'm also going to mark that the 13th is Mother's Day. I'm going to mark that with a Fox and Pip bow. Also, I need to grab some more icons in just a second. Okay, so Friday and Saturday are going to be big cleaning days, so I'm going to go into my icons folder. Those. These are from Clever Doll Crafts. I'm going to grab a little pail, a quarter box. Also put that there. And then back to this, I'm gonna pull in this little credit card sticker from Libby & Co. This is really old, but I think that this color will look fine. I'm just gonna pop that right there just because I needed a little icon. Friday, I'm also gonna go in with another sticker from this Clever Gal craft sheet, and I'm going to put that it is trash day. Then I'm going to go in with a half box. Let's see, I'm just gonna use the green one. For Saturday, lift this up a little bit. And again, from this sticker sheet, I'm going to do this little soap bottle. So on Sunday, let's do another little quarter box. Because Elaine is moving in that day. And now I'm gonna fill in some to-dos. How do y'all spell vacuum? Because I swear I spell it differently in every spread that I do, and I don't know the right way to spell it. So that's annoying, but. Okay, so that's good for that. I am going to go in with my little paw prints from Little Miss Paperie and pick a color that I think will work. I wish I had that kind of green. So while I'm over here, I am going to grab the weekend banner from the kit. Awesome. Okay. I'm going to go in with a few of these little things and mark days that I want to film. But I do just want to mark them down. I'm gonna go in with another trash can. They take our trash 2 times a week, and I'm just gonna pop this up here just because I'll know that that means to take the trash. I'm going to go in with another one of these. I'm just gonna grab the light pink one. This beautiful half box. Pop this right in here. I am gonna go in with this really cute bow paperclip from Fox and Pip, and I'm going to put this here and mark 20 days until my birthday. Now from this same sheet, I'm going to grab, I need to order some more of these. I just placed a Fox and Pip order and I need to order more of those. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this little planner with this pink bow and a quarter box, and I'm not gonna put it right there, I'm going to write on it first. This is when I will make sure I have half my week planned. Okay, I think that is it for now. This is how this coming week looks so far. In case you're wondering, this is kind of how this week is wrapping up. It's Friday, so we just have these 2 more days to go, but I really like how this spread is turning out. If you want to see a flip through of my planner, let me know and I can do that. But until then, this is how this week is turning up. And thanks for watching my first plan with me. I know it was kind of all over the place, but I'm going to show you what I have left of the kit to use. So I have a few functional things, some checklists, little things, and a few sidebar headers, all of the pattern washi except for these 2 pieces, and some boxes. So that is Lovely Rose Prints. And then I am gonna take this paper clip. It's just a heart paper clip. I bought them in a set. I'll do it on this page. All right, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.